Okay, now I will analyze one of the most important project. The project name is Monad. Okay, the project's main net was launched on maybe November 2025, and I found this project on uh, 16th February 2026. Okay, the project mainnet was launched on 2025 November, and I found this project on 16th February 2026. During research about some another project, during research about Ondo, actually, I found this project. That's looking very good. The project name is Monad. Okay, Monad is currently trading on 0.021 US dollar, and the current market cap is 233 million US dollars. The current circulation supply is 10.83 million. Its current circulation supply. There is maximum supply of 100 billion. That's mean almost 10.8% supply in the market right now. Let's talk about this project. Monad is a high-performance Layer 1 blockchain that aims to address the scalability limitations of existing network, particularly Ethereum, while maintaining fully compatibility with the Ethereum virtual machine. I'm just reading this. I'll clear this. I'm just reading this. I'll make it clear to you. Okay, that this means developer can deploy their existing Ethereum smart contract and use familiar tool like MetaMask on Monad without modification. It's a great thing. Okay, it's not a small thing. I'm telling you. Honestly, I'm surprised. I'm telling you, Monad is a blockchain which work on Ethereum virtual machine. If I tell you in okay, that's mean that's mean I changed my t-shirt. Mm. In one line, I'll tell you that Monad is a copy version of Ethereum. Monad is a, you can say, Ethereum का सस्ता version है. Point number one. And point number two, I'll tell you that point number two, I'll tell you that. And point number two, that the developer who are developing their project on Ethereum, they can easily move their project on Monad without changing and without modification. I mean, Ethereum, if I tell you in easier language, then Ethereum language model and Monad language model is same. Okay. Ethereum code and Monad code is almost same. Same actually. Ethereum code and Monad code is almost same. So the developer who are developing their projects on Ethereum has a large amount of developer. It's the highest amount of developer in the world, Ethereum. So the developer who are developing their project on Ethereum, they can easily move their project on Monad blockchain. Now your question is why Ethereum developer will move their blockchain to Monad. That is a beautiful question. The answer will be Ethereum low gas fees is high. The gas fees of Ethereum is very high, and the TPS, the transaction per second TPS is very low. Ethereum TPS is very low, but you can, if you use Ethereum layer 2 like Arbitrum, Base ecosystem, Arbitrum, Optimism, Polygon, then the TPS will go higher. But zero knowledge. Okay, these are some Ethereum layer 2. If you use Ethereum layer 2, then your TPS will be high. But the main problem is Ethereum gas fees, and the TPS is very low. And there has some more other problem on Ethereum because it's a biggest blockchain current now. So Monad is a high-performance layer on blockchain that aims to address of scalability limitation existing network, particularly Ethereum, while maintaining the full compatibility with Ethereum virtual machine. That means developer can deploy existing their Ethereum smart contract using familiar tool like MetaMask without any modification. That's mean developer can deploy their project. Developer can deploy their project which they are developing on Ethereum. A developer like me, I can deploy my project which I am developing on Ethereum. I can easily deploy my project to Monad blockchain. I can easily deploy my project which I am developing in Ethereum. I can easily develop my project to Monad blockchain because the language model is same. I'm trying to tell you, in easier language. There has some more technical language. I'm not going to technical. I'm not going to more technical. So I'm just trying to make you understand what's happening right now. So I can easily deploy my project to Monad blockchain, and मतलब कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा, उतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा, because the language model is same, and it's without modification. That they told that without modification the language model is same, that it is EVM compatible, Ethereum virtual machine. It's okay. High throughput, low latency, Monad designed to achieve improvement TPS in subsecondary. Monad fully bytecode compatibility with Ethereum allows to seamless migration. Look, allows for seamless migration, decentralized application. Ethereum reduce energy development, parallel execution like traditional blockchain. Uh, Ton, Shay. Oh, Ton and Say. Okay, okay. Ton and Say, which is technologically strong. Current adoption rate is high. Which blockchain is more futuristic, technology-wise? Which blockchain is targeting Ethereum and Sol developer to convert their blockchain? Okay, the first question. Just look. Most technologically strong. Look. To compare the six chain and just read that parallelism. Monad say move language is okay. Most technologically strong. That is Monad. Raw for it is technologically strong. Monad high raw performance actually. It is arguably the most advanced parallel EVM itself. If I tell about technologically more strong blockchain, then Monad is number one and Sui is number two. Architecture wise, raw performance wise Monad, and architecture wise Sui. You can think that Monad has only 10,000 TPS. Then I will tell you that Ethereum TPS is very low. Ethereum TPS is very low. Search on Google. If you are watching this video, just go to Google and search what is the TPS of Ethereum. Then you can see Ethereum TPS is very low. So Monad is using Ethereum technology. Just I'm telling you, trying to tell you understand. Monad is using same technology which Ethereum use, and Monad TPS is 10,000, and go and look the TPS of Ethereum. Ethereum TPS is very low. So if some project build on if some layer 2 build on Monad, that is a some different factor. It's 2026, almost 2027, 2028. That will be the time when some layer 2 will build on Monad. Those layer 2 will help Monad to increase their transaction from 10,000 TPS to maybe 1 lakh, 2 lakh TPS. That is not the big fact actually. High current adoption rate, obviously, Ton and Aptos. Okay, Aptos and Sui, they use move language. Aptos and Sui, they use move language. That is a different language. It's not the same language model which Ethereum use. Ethereum use a different language. Aptos and Sui use a different language. Start buying near protocol, but I did not bought I did not buy huge amount near protocol. I have invested small amount. Maybe today, tomorrow I will invest some amount. I will invest some amount on near protocol. Near protocol is working on near protocol is creating themselves as an AI blockchain. Near protocol is creating themselves as an artificial intelligence blockchain. Sui is a fantastic project. Okay, targeting Ethereum Solana developer. Monad, obviously Monad. Monad is the only project which is just targeting Ethereum developer. That's Ethereum developer, so that Ethereum developer can come to Monad blockchain easily, because the language model is same, I told you, and they can develop their project. Summary: scalability, Monad and Say. User based on developers, safety, Sui Aptos, innovation, near protocol. Which is Monad speed. Which one are you most interested in exploring future? I can dive deeper into Monad, move language, Sui, or explain how Monad achieved the speed if you like. Okay. Monad is a very initial stage right now, very early stage Monad, and there has a huge scope for Monad to grow. Okay, I'm showing you, and it's a huge scope for Monad to grow. Monad is a very new blockchain. Okay, I'm just showing you. Wait. Aptos market cap is 700 million. Aptos market cap is 700 million. Polkadot market cap is 2.2 billion. Aptos market cap 700 million. Polkadot market cap is 2 billion. Sui market cap, Sui current market cap is 3.7 billion. Look at the market cap of Sui, 3.7 billion. It's a huge, okay, it's a huge. Sui market cap is 3.7 billion. 3.7 billion means 3,700 million. 3.7 billion means 3,700 million. Okay. Near protocol market cap. Let's look at near protocol market cap is 1.34 billion. Okay, that's mean 1,3400 or whatever million. 1.34 billion. Just look at the market cap of Monad. Just only 229 million. A huge scope to grow. Monad has a huge scope to grow. That is the some reason why I suddenly get a shock when I discovered Monad. Actually, suddenly I got a shock. Suddenly, because the current market cap is 230 million only. It's a great project, and this project is not listed in Binance. This project is not listed in Binance. Okay, this project is not listed in Binance. Even in not Binance Alpha also. This project derivative is trading on Binance. That is a different factor. Okay, I'm trying to show you some more thing about Monad. Okay, wait. Okay, I asked to AI that which project has high scope to grow. I mean, which project can grow, can show a massive growth from this level. Okay, which project, there has a high adoption rate of Sui right now. Okay, a lots of developer are developing their blockchain, developing their projects, actually developing their project on Sui. So I'm not looking for Sui actually. I'm just looking for that project which are very early stage and which has highest scope to grow from that zone, from this zone, because I am an investor. Because I am an investor, I am not a developer. Okay, I am thinking as an investment perspective. Okay, Sui has the highest chance to grow. And the second option is Monad. Okay, Monad. Monad is the highest growth. Monad speeds on Ethereum narrative by offering 10,000 DPS while being 100% compatible with existing Ethereum apps. Monad is designed to absorb massive developer base and liquidity of the Ethereum. Look at the line. Okay, look at this slide. Monad is designed to absorb the massive developer base and liquidity of the Ethereum ecosystem. The initial token sale on Coinbase was oversubscribed, raising 269 million over 240 DFCs, ready for deploy at launch. Growth scope. Since the network major layer 1 room to grow terms of market cap, ecosystem maturity is mathematically higher than near blockchain. Stability, enterprise growth. Aptos. Okay, I'm just watching. Institutional adoption. Aptos has the highest institutional adoption. Okay, Aptos has secured high level partnership with Microsoft, BlackRock, Franklin, Temptation. ঠিক আছে, Franklin. So what Monad has the one so what Monad has high scope to grow from this zone, because a lots of Ethereum developer will migrate from Ethereum to Monad. A lots of Ethereum developer will migrate from Ethereum to Monad. That is the fact. Okay. Where what I am watching, that Monad can cross 20 billion market cap easily. If this kind of things happens, Monad can cross 10 billion market cap easily. Honestly, not 20 billion. Monad can cross 10 billion market cap easily if in these things which are happening, which I am watching, that this become true. Then Monad can cross 10 billion market cap easily. But what I am thinking, that Monad can cross 30, almost 30 billion market cap. So if Monad can cross even 20 billion market cap, then it will become 100x from this zone. Look, no retail are focusing on Monad. No retail investors are not focusing on Monad. That is the most interesting thing. Retail investors are ignoring Monad right now because it's a very new project. That's why I suddenly become bullish on Monad. Let's see what's going to happen. I told the total analysis of Monad, and you should do analysis. And now you should analyze Monad, and whatever question you have in your mind about Monad, then you can ask me those questions on X, Twitter, or X.com. I'll try to give you answer. But yeah, don't invest big amount because it's a very risky project, and I'm not telling to invest actually. It's a very risky project and it's an initial stage. It's a very new stage right now. Okay. It's a very new stage right now. It's a new project, new blockchain. So anything can happen. So never invest big amount in this kind of project. But looking very interesting, this project. I'm not telling you to invest. I'm just telling you about the thing and I'm just sharing you my analysis, what I am doing. I have that freedom to express my analysis what I am doing. I'm not telling you to do these kind of things. I'm just sharing my analysis, what I am doing and why I am doing. That's it. I'm not telling you I am right to follow me, do this kind of thing. I'm not any registered advisor. Okay. Just try to understand. I'm just sharing what I am doing. And don't trade, don't invest based on my analysis. I can be wrong.